standing in front of Zojila, also called the Zoji Pass. La means pass, and this is the traditional route that has been connecting Kashmir all the way to Ladakh. However, this route it takes about 4.5 hours. It's a long and arduous route, of course, because it is a pass. So there are several, the road condition is not good. You can see there are this kind of broken segments. That is also because this pass remains closed for the almost the entire winter season, and then the snow really becomes very rough for this connectivity. However, in order to boost that, the Zimur tunnel is being built, which is going to consist of 19 tunnels, and it is being built at a cost of 25,000 crores. Now, once that is being built, this tunnel, this pass rather, this Zojila may not be usually frequented, and normal traffic may not be moving here anymore, and we will see more of the locals using this particular pass, because the military, tourists, traders, businessmen will be using the new tunnel that is being built. And let me tell you, the Zimur tunnel is going to be Asia's largest tunnel, is what the government has claimed, and that is going to connect, as I said, from the LOC to the LAC, which is why its strategic importance is huge as well as its economic importance. The Zojila tunnel was conceived by the UPA government in 2005 in order to have an all-weather connectivity from Kashmir and Ladakh, even as it turned out to be a strategic necessity. The government started exploring the possibility of the tunnel and handed over the project to the Border Roads Organization in 2013. In 2016, the BJP-led NDA government took the project forward. The tunnel, once completed, will make it possible to travel between Ladakh and Srinagar throughout the year. The present travelling time between these cities is 3.5 hours. It is expected to be reduced to 20 minutes after the tunnel is completed. The deadline for the completion of the tunnel has been pushed to 2027 as avalanches and snowslides continue to hamper the construction work. The tunnel, said to be Asia's longest of its kind, will provide all-year, all-weather connectivity between Srinagar and Leh. The project includes a smart tunnel SCADA system, which has been constructed using the new Austrian tunneling method. It is equipped with facilities like CCTV, radio control, uninterrupted power supply, and ventilation. The use of modern technology in this project has saved the Government of India more than 5,000 crore rupees. We are standing currently in front of the Zimur tunnel that is being built by the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation. You can see behind me the banner of the tunnel and the construction site, which is going on near the Zojila Pass. It is on the eastern flank of the Zojila Pass. This tunnel is being built in front of on the eastern flank, as I said, and this is going to be a strategically built tunnel. As you can see, if I can pan towards the entire tunnel that is being built at a height of 11,000 feet. It's a 14-kilometer tunnel, and it will consist of total of 19 tunnels that will be constructed at a cost of 25,000 crores. Now, let me tell you about the strategic importance of this tunnel. This will be built, although this is a little delayed from the deadline. It should be ready by 2026. The earlier deadline was 2023. This is going to connect Kashmir with Ladakh. So from Srinagar to Leh, the travel will be reduced by almost 2 to 3 hours. But let me tell you, the strategic importance is that it will connect the line of control and the line of action control. So the movement of troops, movement of military will be boosted, will get a major impetus, because this entire stretch of tunnel from all these mountains that you can see will be connecting LOC with the LSD. Also, let me tell you that this will provide an all-year access from Kashmir to Ladakh, and this is being built. As you can recall, with the fact that in the backdrop of all this, an India-China border tension is going on. China, of course, is also watching this massive development, which is an engineering marvel that is going to take place very soon. But let me also tell you that the locals who spoke to me here off camera said that they are concerned with the construction delays, and they're also concerned with the environmental impact that this is going to have. The last year we had Union Minister for Roads and Transport, Nitin Gadkari, visiting the place and monitoring the construction regularly. So this is being built from the stretch of Sonabad, and this will also definitely give a boost to tourism. According to government figures, this is going to boost tourism by 3 to 4 times